So I'm going to be using this power switch here and basically install it with this fan cable. Also add these little header things so that I can connect it to the motherboard. So be extending the wire so that it's longer. And we're going to do that right now. Got some like flex here. Whatever. And this Roving core solder right over in here. Dip all the parts onto the solder. There. Looking at here too. Add some solder to this tip here. Wet this up.
A little bit more. Just spool. Hmm?
Spin some lotion on my hands so you don't have to see how cracked they are. Now they look softer-ish. Hella cracked, but I still got a lot more battle scars. Yeah, not the best soldering job, but they are all joined and they are gonna work. You might be asking yourself, like, stand-up gamer, why don't you just buy a real soldering iron instead of using that crappy one? I do have a real soldering iron. I've got this guy here. Got temperature control. These are one. We've got many, but this head goes onto here. I've also got this. It's a hot air. It's got real soldering iron. Me being the worst in soldering, not about just the skill, it's also about the decision-making process, and I make pretty lousy decisions when I'm soldering, and one of the worst decisions is continuing to use that beat-up old $9 soldering iron. What can I say? I like it. It got the job done, and I'll probably keep using it, even though I have the right tools. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Stay tuned because this is a vlog, but I will be posting a brand new video with a brand new case that I'll be sharing out for free very, very soon. Thanks, everyone.